If you're in the market for a high-performance blender that can handle everything from smoothies to soups, this Wantjoin Smoothie Maker Ice Crushing Blender should be on your radar. With its powerful 2000-watt motor, innovative features, and robust design, this blender is built to meet the demands of both home and commercial kitchens. Here's an in-depth look at what makes the Wantjoin Blender a standout choice. The Wantjoin Blender boasts a sleek, professional design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. The thickened PC container is not only durable and resistant to falls and scratches, but it is also explosion-proof, ensuring safety during high-speed blending. With a 2L capacity, it's perfect for making large batches of smoothies, soups, and other recipes for the entire family. One of the standout features of the Wantjoin Blender is its 2000-watt motor, which provides up to 30,000 revolutions per minute. This immense power allows the blender to crush ice in just 10 seconds without adding extra water, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. The hardened stainless steel blades are designed to handle even the toughest ingredients, making this blender ideal for a variety of uses, from crushing ice to blending raw fish into a smooth puree. The Wantjoin Blender offers a wide range of functions to cater to all your culinary needs. Ice crushing. With its powerful motor and sharp blades, the Wantjoin Blender can turn ice into snow in seconds, perfect for making frozen drinks and desserts. Smoothies and shakes. Whether you're blending fruits and vegetables or frozen ingredients, this blender ensures a smooth, creamy consistency every time. Hot soups. Thanks to its high-speed motor and thickened PC container, the Wantjoin Blender can handle hot ingredients, allowing you to make delicious soups in just a few minutes. Nut butter. The blender can easily crush nuts to make smooth butter. Start by making nut powder with the instant switch, then grind to your desired consistency using a slow speed. Sauces and dips. From hummus to salsas, the Wantjoin Blender can handle it all, providing a smooth and uniform texture. Raw fish and more. The blender can even mash raw fish into a puree, showcasing its versatility and power. The Wantjoin Blender is designed with user convenience in mind. It features a micro-switch safety design, which prevents the blender from starting unless the container is properly in place. This ensures that you can blend safely without any risk of accidents. The blender also includes a timer control, allowing you to set the blending time between 1 to 5 minutes. Once the set time is reached, the blender automatically stops, which is not only convenient but also ensures consistent results. Additionally, the one-button automatic cleaning function saves you time and effort. Simply turn on the switch, and the blender will clean itself thoroughly. Blending at high speeds can be noisy, but the Wantjoin Blender includes a feature that automatically stops the motor once the set time is reached. This allows you to move to another room to escape the noise without worrying about the blender running indefinitely. The Wantjoin Blender is incredibly easy to use, with a simple speed control dial that allows you to achieve a variety of textures. Whether you're looking to make a chunky salsa or a smooth puree, the blender's variable speed control gives you complete control over the blending process. Cleaning the blender is just as easy as using it. The one-button cleaning function and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations and less time scrubbing the blender. Conclusion. The Wantjoin Smoothie Maker Ice Crushing Blender is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly kitchen appliance that stands out for its performance and durability. With its 2000-watt motor, high-speed capabilities, and robust design, it's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable blender for both everyday use and special occasions. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, nut butter, or even raw fish puree, the Wantjoin Blender delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. For those looking for a blender that can do it all, the Wantjoin Blender is an excellent choice. Its combination of power, versatility, and ease of use makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. So why wait? Experience the convenience and performance of the Wantjoin Blender and elevate your culinary creations today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on your favorite kitchen gadgets.